Ever opened up Photoshop, searched everywhere for the paint bucket tool, and felt like it just vanished? If so, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the paint bucket tool, why it sometimes goes missing, and easy ways to bring it back, so you can get right back to creating without any frustrating roadblocks. Let's jump right in. First things first, the paint bucket tool is often grouped together with the gradient tool. This is one of those Photoshop quirks that trips people up all the time. Over on the toolbar, the gradient tool usually shows up as a little rectangle that fades from black to white. If you only see the gradient icon and not the paint bucket, don't worry, it's probably just hiding. All you need to do is click and hold down that gradient tool icon. After a second, a small flyout menu should appear, showing you all the related tools in that slot, including the paint bucket. From there, you just select it and you're back in business. Think of it like a secret compartment in your toolbox. It's there, tucked away, just waiting for you to open it. Now let's talk about keyboard shortcuts because Photoshop is full of them. The paint bucket tool shares the G key with the gradient tool, so if you press G on your keyboard but it only switches to gradient, don't worry. Just hold down Shift and tap G. This cycles through the tools that are grouped together with that shortcut. Keep tapping until the paint bucket comes up. This is super handy if you like working quickly or if you want to avoid digging through menus every time you need to switch. Sometimes this step feels like magic. Suddenly, the tool you couldn't find is right in front of you. But what if neither of those options work? Maybe the paint bucket is really missing from your toolbar. In that case, let's make sure your toolbar is actually visible. Head up to the top menu and click on Window, then scroll down and make sure Tools is checked. If it's not, just click it, your toolbar should pop back up. Sometimes, especially if you've customized Photoshop or if something glitched, the paint bucket might still be nowhere to be found. This is where Photoshop's toolbar customization comes to the rescue. Go to Edit, then find Toolbar near the bottom of the menu. When you open this, you'll see a whole list of available tools. Look for the paint bucket under Extra Tools. It sometimes gets knocked out of the main toolbar, but you can simply drag it back into its rightful place. Once you've dropped it back in, click Done, and you'll see it reappear. Think of this like digging through a junk drawer and finding exactly what you need. A little organization goes a long way. Finally, if things still look strange or your layout feels off, you might just need to reset your workspace. This is like returning Photoshop to its default setup, wiping away any accidental changes. Go up to Window again, find Workspace, and select Essentials or another default workspace. You may even want to click Reset Essentials. This ensures that everything, including your toolbar and all those hidden tools, is put back where Photoshop expects it to be. It can feel like a fresh start, and most of the time it solves these stubborn tool issues. So there you have it. Whether your paint bucket tool was just hidden, cycled out, or temporarily removed, now you know exactly how to track it down and restore it. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit like, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Photoshop mysteries you want solved. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy editing.